full dress is up. I'm like, what is going on? Please do not embarrass me here. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rebecca Coco. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of the family. And if you're not new, hey girl, hey, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping back to support your good sis. It is really appreciated. Okay, yeah, for today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a few pieces that I received from HEKKA Mall, HEKKA. Okay, they are an online fashion brand. They have thousands of clothing options. Their prices are quite affordable, and like I said, there's lots of options to choose from no matter the age range. They sent me a few pieces and I'll be sharing those pieces with you guys. Whether pieces are sent to me or not, you guys can always expect and trust my honest review. You know, I'll always keep it jiggy with you guys. I will always share with you guys my honest opinion and first impression of the pieces. Okay, so without further ado, I just want to go ahead and share the pieces that they sent. So the first item they sent me is this white dress right here. Y'all, you guys, I was quite excited to receive this dress. However, it was the biggest disappointment of my life. Literally, the exaggeration. Anyways, nah, I was really disappointed. I thought this would give very much like a soft, feminine flower girl. You know, I thought it was going to be short but yet still classy and feminine. You know, I had a look, I had a vision in mind for this dress, and none of it was fulfilled. Okay, first of all, just the way my boobs are set up is just, it's not working. The fabric doesn't seem to be too thick. The lining, it doesn't seem to be too thick. So yeah, I got this in a size medium actually. So I really expected it to fit and really give what it needed to do. I had a certain look in mind. I knew it was going to be short, but I still think it was going to be cute and flirty, but it didn't give none of that. Okay, so this is it might work for somebody else. I'm obviously gonna have it on the side so that you guys can go ahead and see it. So the next item I have from them is of course another white dress, but it's a satin number, and y'all, this is so freaking cute and I'm so excited. I have nothing like this in my closet. This is just how it looks. I have nothing like it in my closet, and like I said, it's a little satin number. I got it in a size medium again, and y'all, this is so cute. It just fits really nice. I actually wish I had gone a size up with this. I think it would have fit a little better if I gotten it in a large, but I just assumed the medium would fit because usually small mediums work well for me. But y'all, this is really cute nonetheless. The boobs, you know, we have to use a little bit of boob tip, but besides that, it has cutout on the sides, and I really like that. I feel like I can wear this for date nights and for different events, and it will really do what it needs to do. I don't know what's going on. The sun is playing with me, so let me go ahead and turn the lights on. So the next item I have is another dress. It's just this green dress. I think this is sage green. And y'all, this is really cute. I feel like you can really wear this during the summer times. And of course, if you guys are confused as to why like the pieces I'm showing you guys are like really like summery pieces, it's just because it took a while for the items to get to me. So yeah, but again, I got this in a size medium. It has a cutout on the side. This is really trendy. I feel like I've seen this from a few other brands, but yo, it's really cute, and again, size medium. The fabric is not very thick, and I'll show it to you guys on the side just in case if there's any see-through or any of that. My only problem with this is because of the cutout and the style, and that's more or less my fault. I can't wear this with a bra, so I don't know. I'll have to figure out a way to make this work, but this is just how it looks. The next item I have is another green satin number, and this I got in a size small, and y'all, I should have gone ahead and got this in a medium or a large. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Okay, makes no type of sense. And of course, it's just with these companies, sometimes you don't know, like the sizing is a little bit off. But y'all, I got this in a size small, and I love the green. I love the satin. This is really cute. I just wish I had gotten it in a different size, because I feel like I really could have styled this and really make it work for me and for my wardrobe. But I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys on the side. This is just how it looks. Yep. The last item I have is my favorite, and it is dirty because I already wore it, okay? I wore this yesterday for my godson birthday party, and y'all, super cute. And my only problem, again, let me look at what size. I got this in a size small. Big mistake. Should have gotten it in a medium. But y'all, my only problem is when I kept walking, the lining inside of this kept coming up. So every time I would bend down, it would like, thank God I was wearing something underneath the dress. You guys know when you go to function with like older African people, like it's like you're wearing a dress, the whole dress is up. I'm like, what is going on? Please do not embarrass me here, you know? But it is cute. I really like the dress. I feel like it looks like something I would wear. Like I would buy this without it even being sent to me. This is really cute. It's really flirty. And you guys know I really like dresses, especially during the warmer months. And sometimes I make them work into like the fall and the winter. I just pair them with leggings and boots. But this is really cute. I am really excited about this, okay? Even my grandma, like when I wore it yesterday, my grandma was like, that's really cute. My grandma got good taste, y'all. My grandma know how to dress. So if she said it's cute, it is cute. Love it, love it. So those were the few pieces that I received from HEKKA Mall, and I'm gonna have all of the links in the description box along with any coupon codes. I'll go ahead and double check my email. If there are any coupon codes, I'm gonna also go ahead and include them on the screen or in the description box, okay? Alright guys, so without further ado, I'll see you guys next time, and I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye guys.